Welcome to Balat, a neighborhood in Istanbul where history whispers through its winding streets and where a hidden gem, known as the Red Church, awaits your discovery. As you walk through the charming streets of Balat, you'll find yourself stepping into a different era. This neighborhood, with its colorful houses and cobblestone paths, exudes a nostalgic charm that harks back to Istanbul's storied past. Tucked away within this labyrinth lies the Red Church, also known as the Church of St. Mary of the Mongols. The church's vivid red exterior immediately captures your attention, standing out as a beacon of history against the backdrop of the neighborhood. How does the sight of this ancient structure make you feel? Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world where the echoes of prayers and hymns still linger. The interior, adorned with intricate frescoes and ornate decorations, offers a glimpse into the artistic and spiritual legacy of the Byzantine era. Can you imagine the devotion and reverence that once filled these sacred walls? The Red Church's history is as rich as its vibrant appearance. Built in the 14th century, it was dedicated to Theodora, the wife of Emperor Theophilos. The church's story takes an intriguing turn with its later connection to Maria Palaiologina, a Byzantine princess who married Khan Toktamish of the Golden Horde. The Red Church is more than just a place of worship. It's a testament to Istanbul's role as a crossroads of cultures. Its architecture and design reflect the fusion of Byzantine and Ottoman influences that have shaped the city's diverse identity. As you step back into the sunlit streets of Balat, the memory of the Red Church stays with you. The beauty of its craftsmanship, the stories it holds within its walls, and the sense of connection to the past become a part of your journey. But do not hesitate for a second that the marvelous streets will not be magical as this church. One of Balat's most enchanting features is its vibrant street art. As you wander through the neighborhood, you'll be greeted by colorful murals that tell stories of the past and present. These murals breathe life into the walls, adding an artistic layer to the area's unique character. Beyond its visual allure, Balat is a place of community and connection. Locals engage in friendly conversations on doorsteps, children play in the streets, and the aroma of traditional street food fills the air. The warmth and hospitality of the people reflect the heart and soul of Balat. We can directly say that Balat, with its magnificent church, will be a memorable highlight of your Istanbul trip.